Meaning of determinism.
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 Determinism. Determinism is a philosophical concept that suggests all events, including human actions, are determined by antecedent causes. In other words, everything that happens in the universe is predetermined by previous events and natural laws. Determinism holds that free will is an illusion since our actions are already predetermined by the causal chain of events. This idea has been widely debated over centuries and has important implications for fields such as ethics, metaphysics, and psychology.